Hello everyone, welcome to Life Means More. Today we are going to discuss about financial freedom in 7 steps. One goal that we all have in common is that we all want to make more money. However, only a small percentage of us actually achieve the financial freedom we long for. We all want to have enough money so that we never have to worry about money again. The only question is, are you ready to do it or not? The good news is that there are more people achieving financial freedom faster today than ever before. Through proper financial planning and making it a goal to improve your personal finances, you can become one of them too. So friends, here is a 7-point formula that you can use to help accumulate wealth, become happier and achieve financial freedom in the years ahead. So our first point is, begin to think positively about money. Part of becoming rich involves thinking positively about money. Thinking negatively about money is an emotional obstacle that you must eliminate in order to achieve financial freedom. You must eliminate the thoughts that having more money leads to evil or that money can't buy you happiness. When you begin thinking positively about money, you will attract opportunities and open up more doors that you ever thought possible. Next point is, rewrite your major goals for financial freedom. Set financial goals for yourself. Rewrite and review your goals on paper every day and think of how you could accomplish them. This will take you between 5 and 10 minutes. The very act of writing and rewriting your goals and thinking about them each morning before you start off will increase your chances of accomplishing them. Coming to the next point, plan every day in advance. Plan every day in advance. The best time to do this is the night before. The very act of planning each day, each week and each month in advance will make you far sharper and more precise at everything you do. You will find yourself with better focus and a greater sense of self-control and personal power when you work from a list. When you plan every day in advance, you will be better able to control and track your spending habits as well. Plan how much you have to spend for the week, the month, the year and decide where you will be able to save. Our fourth point is the principle of concentration. Concentrate single-mindedly every hour of every day on the most valuable use of your time. The principle of concentration is absolutely essential to achieve financial freedom. Virtually everything you do in terms of goal setting and financial planning is aimed at enabling you to determine the one or two things that you should concentrate on more than anything else. Your ability to develop the habit of concentration will do more to ensure your personal finance success than perhaps any other skill or habit you can acquire. The things you focus the most on and spend the most time doing should be in direct alignment with your financial goals. Spend your time focused on what will make you the most money. Let us move on to next point. Invest in yourself. Listen to audio programs in your car. The average person spends 500 to 1000 years per year behind the wheel. By turning your car into a university on wheels, you can become one of the most knowledgeable and most skilled people in your profession. Purchase courses on money management, read books on personal finance, and find articles online about money. Very soon, you will have so much knowledge in the area of money that people will come to you for advice. Our next point is, ask yourself these magic questions. Ask yourself the 2 magic questions after every meeting and every event of importance in your life. The first question is, what did I do right? And the second question is, what would I do differently next time? By reviewing your performance immediately after every meeting, sales call and presentation, you will become better and better, faster than you can imagine. The answers to both of these questions are positive. By reviewing what you did right and what you would do differently next time, you program into your mind a predisposition to be even better the next time out. If you take a few minutes and write down everything you did right and everything you would do differently immediately after a call or presentation, you can double and triple the speed at which you learn and grow and improve in your work. Improving yourself and your quality of work will in effect improve the money you make. Coming to our last point, be generous to others. The final point is to treat everyone you meet like a $1 million customer. Treat every single person at home and at work as if they were the most important person in the world. Since everybody believes that he or she is the most important person in the world, when you treat them as if they were, they appreciate your recognition and acknowledgement more than you can imagine. It is a proven fact that being a more generous person will help you attract more wealth and become a happier person. Friends, we have often heard that money doesn't buy happiness. But the truth is that money is essential to happiness. Material prosperity predicts life satisfaction. And the more economic status we achieve, the more we will feel satisfied with our life. Not only do our measurements of happiness rise as our income rises, so does our sense of well-being and life satisfaction. So, by choosing to focus on money goals that motivate you while also embedding a positive mindset towards money, towards yourself, and life in general, you will help to achieve both increased wealth and happiness. And when you get there, evidence clearly shows us that being generous with our money makes us happier and richer. So friends, this completes our today's video. I hope you can understand the 7-point formula for financial freedom. Try to apply this formula in your life and enjoy your financial freedom. And of course, if you like the video, please hit the like button and share this 7-point formula with your friends and close one by sharing this video as much as possible. And friends, one more thing I want to share with you, that only because of your support and love, my channel crossed 300 subscribers recently. So keep supporting me like this. And those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you will enjoy such knowledgeable videos every day. So keep watching. Thank you.